Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare strawberry lassi. Ingredients required to prepare this recipe are: I have taken 1 bowl of yogurt. This is sour curd. 2 tablespoons of strawberry syrup. You get it easily available in the market. So this is a ready-made strawberry syrup that I am going to use. You can also use strawberry pulp that you get ready-made in the market. This is powder sugar, 2 tablespoons of powder sugar. You can reduce the amount of sugar because the syrup is sweet, and 2 cups of water. Now I am going to put everything together in a mixie, and then I am going to mix it together. So here I am first adding the yogurt. The sugar, the syrup, and the water. And now I am going to blend all this together. So here is our strawberry lassi ready. We are going to pour them into the glasses. Isn't it super easy, friends? You can add ice cubes and savor this. I hope you liked this recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. This is a perfect drink for the upcoming summer season. See you soon, friends. Bye.